Ammon, what's your name?
Take a picture of me.
Ammon, what's your name? Don't do that. What's your name? Don't show in your hand. What's your name? What's your phone number? Come here. Tell me your phone number.
Want to see what I can do?
What's your mom's name?
Want to see what I can do, Brittany?
What's your mom's name?
Brittany, what?
Okay, go.
I need Ammon to stop jumping.
Okay, Ammon, stop jumping. Watch. Let's watch Faith. Go, Faith.
I messed up because Ammon was jumping.
Okay, well, Faith. Ammon, what's your phone number? Ammon, what's your phone number? Look at me. What's your phone number?
Ammon, what's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
Ammon, I said, what's your phone number? Hey, what's your phone number?
827, what?
5. Look out!
Okay, go. Whoa. Why'd you mess up this time? Okay. What's your phone number? What's your dad's name?
What?
It's on your head.
Heavenly Father.
Heavenly Father. You're right. Okay, go.
No, he's coming again.
Are you so excited to have children, Brad? Okay, I'll move him, Faith. You get up there again. He doesn't like the sound.
What? Stop bouncing and stop swinging! Stop swinging and trying to jump!
Okay.
That looks pretty cool. I kind of want to do
Okay,
that.
ready?
Okay, no one's jumping.
Okay, Ammon, sit down so Faith doesn't freak out. Sit right here. Okay, go, Faith.
Wow.
Oh, good job. Okay.
Everybody bounce me!
Throw the sod out there. Right.